So before we get started, I want to give a big thank you to the creators of Final Fantasy XV: A New Empire for sponsoring this video. Now this game is really cool. You get to defeat monsters in the Proving Grounds, and it helps you gain resources and unlock treasures. You get to level up Noctis, which I found amazing, and the higher level your hero is, the stronger your empire will grow, so that is super helpful. And you get to use gems to power up your gear. Embed them into your armor or weapons for a boost. So if you're a big Final Fantasy fan, or you're just interested in finding a new game for your phone, make sure you click the link in the description box to get the game. So jumping right in, go ahead and apply concealer one shade lighter to the high points of your face and blend it out. This will create a more angular dimension. Skipping to the eyes for now, apply a burnt orange or red eyeshadow to get that irritated look he sometimes gets. Skipping again to the eyebrows, apply black eyeshadow powder and clean them with concealer to make them very thin. I'm talking almost anime thin. Onto the nose, apply contour around the nostrils to add depth and up the nose bridge. Then drag it down the tip of your nose and under it in a V shape to make it appear thin. Be sure to blend it out. Now apply concealer and highlighter to the center to complete the illusion. And I'm just adding more orange to where I see fit. Next, apply a dark brown eyeshadow on the lid. And apply a thick line of eyeliner. Now this is optional. I'm doing it because I'm trying to make my eyes appear more hooded and long. Then apply it to your outer corners of the eye. Now apply mascara to the top and bottom as he has dark, thick lashes. Then accentuate your inner corner with eyeliner. Don't be afraid to overdo this step if you have a baby face. And this is the finished look. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more character transformations, press the subscribe button so I can see you in my next video.